What's up, guys? You might be wondering, why haven't you been making videos, Logan? I was trying to look for websites that would record the screen, and now it is. So you guys, that's awesome. Now, what we're gonna be doing is, I've been making a FNAF game off camera when you guys weren't knowing on this website called Scratch. So if you wanna, you can log into Scratch and do that. So let's look at it. Yeah, I guess I have pretty good artist work when it comes to this, but can you hear that, guys? Wait, let me turn up the volume kind of. Oh my gosh, guys, that's sick. It's version 1.0, 3 Nights at Dummies. To do this, help wanted Dummies Pizzeria needs a night guard, don't be dumb. Come to Dummies Pizzeria and have a good time. Payment 100. Okay, and then it fades out to night 1. Tell me if you guys think this is going to be a good video game. And then it comes to here. Tell me if you guys want to know how to make this video game. Or a video game like this. Because you can put your mask on and off. And then you can put your cameras on and off. So, oh, that's so weird. And then it has all this fuzzy stuff. And this, it's a pretty hard thing to do. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty hard, especially modeling all these. Well, not like 3D modeling them, but doing it. So this is pretty much it. Well, I modeled this character. That's Dummy right there with little wheels. That's Dumber right there. That's Dumber right here. And then this right here is Dumbly. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. Yeah, I didn't work too hard on the cameras because there were so many. Yeah, fun stage. Yeah, yay. And that's pretty much it for this video game. So I guess, like, if you want to make a video game like this, and I'll show you if you guys just like the video. Let's try to get 15 likes. If I get, actually, 20 likes. If I get 20 likes, then I will show you how to make these, and I'll show you how to make the AI of the animatronics, and I'll give you time. Like, a bunch of people on the internet do it so fast. They're like bam, 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 and they give me no time to like make the button or make the mask. I will go slow for you guys, and tell me if you want me to go faster. This is the weird thing of the whole game. Oh, and that's it. Oh, 3 Nights at Dummies. Subscribe to Brosheb, Exion, and Nightmare Lord for helping me make this. And yeah, tell me if you want me to show you guys how to make them.